would I even moisturize my hair?
Because everything I've been hearing lately is
learn to moisturize your hair.
How will I even go about that?
Oh yeah, wait.
If that is your situation,
You don't have to panic.
that is why you have me.
I will tell you the simple way to go about that.
I will even show you how.
And if you are coming across my video for the first time,
Hi, my name is Bolu Atife and not Bolu.
please don't call me Bolu.
Welcome to another episode of my vlog.
And on today's episode,
we'll be moisturizing my hair together
while I explain
how you can moisturize your own too.
the first thing you need to do
is to assemble your products,
which include
clean water,
leave-in conditioner,
hair butter,
and hair oil.
Simple, right?
Yes, you definitely don't need too much.
After assembling your products,
You go in with your water.
allow your hair to drink enough water.
Your hair is just like a plant that grows.
So wet it well.
Your hair porosity
determines if your hair will absorb water faster.
but ensure you use your
to
hand
massage the water into your strands,
because that is where they are needed.
then you apply your leave-in conditioner
to your hair strands as well.
Ensure you are generous with
Then
it.
you go in with your hair butter,
just as I've done
in this video.
If you follow what you see
Step by step,
then definitely
you are good to go.
Always remember to keep your ends safe
and protect your hair as a
Don't
whole.
forget to massage your scalp too.
And with these few points of mine,
I hope I'm able to convince and not confuse you to like, comment and also follow for more.
thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.